Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of launcher problem on the application of REDnote. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about REDnote and we click. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your